Hey there! If you've ever yelled at your PC because it randomly restarted, lagged at the worst time, or just acted plain weird, you're not alone. Windows is powerful, but it comes with its fair share of daily headaches. In this video, we'll walk through 15 of the most common and frustrating problems Windows users face, and more importantly, how to fix them fast. These are the same fixes IT pros use every day. So, if you're tired of Googling error messages or waiting on your tech-savvy cousin to come over, stay tuned. Let's fix your PC problems 1 minute at a time. Ever feel like your PC takes forever to start up every morning? You're not alone. The usual suspect? Too many startup apps running in the background. Here's a quick fix. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key to open Task Manager. Head to the Startup tab to see what's slowing you down. Check the Startup Impact column and disable unnecessary apps. Programs like Spotify or Zoom don't need to start unless you use them daily. For a simpler view, go to Settings, Wash Apps, or Startup. Keep only the essentials like your antivirus running. Restart your PC and enjoy a faster start to your day. No more waiting around. Get straight to what matters. Running low on storage space is more than annoying. It can slow down your PC or even prevent updates. But there's a quick fix built right into Windows. Go to Settings, System Storage, and turn on Storage Sense. This feature automatically clears temporary files, recycle bin junk, and old downloads. You can also click on Temporary Files to manually clean system update leftovers, thumbnails, and log files. Don't worry, you're not deleting anything important. If you're still low on space, go to Apps and Features and uninstall unused programs. Large games and old software can take up gigs of space without you realizing it. Also, check your Downloads folder. It's often full of installers and files you've long forgotten. Lastly, consider moving personal files like videos and pictures to an external drive or cloud storage. Clean storage means better performance. Your PC will thank you. You're deep into your work, and suddenly, Windows Update decides it's time for a restart. It's annoying, but don't worry, there's a fix. Head to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options. Find Active Hours and set it to your usual work time, like 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. This prevents restarts during those hours. Enable Notify Before Restart for a heads up. For more control, use gPetitid.msc to stop auto restarts on Pro editions. Stay focused and in control. No more surprise restarts. Does your computer feel like it's dragging through molasses? It might not be old, it could just be overloaded. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key and look under the Processes tab. Check for apps using too much CPU, memory, or disk. If Chrome is eating all your RAM, try closing tabs or using an alternative. Next, go to Settings, Apps, Startup, and disable non-essential programs. Too many background processes can slow everything down. Still lagging? Type Performance into the Start menu. Open. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and choose Adjust for Best Performance to disable visual effects. Also, check if you're low on disk space. Windows slows down when storage is tight. Finally, run Windows Security, Device Performance, and Health to spot other performance issues. Your PC doesn't have to feel old, it just needs a little cleanup. No sound from your PC? Don't worry, it's a common issue, and usually an easy fix. Start by right-clicking the speaker icon in the taskbar and selecting Troubleshoot Sound Problems. Windows will scan for issues and often fix them automatically. Still nothing? Open Device Manager, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and choose Update Driver. If that doesn't help, try uninstall device and restart your computer. Windows will reinstall it fresh. Also, check if the correct playback device is selected. Right-click the speaker icon. Open Sound Settings. Choose your output device. Headphones plugged in? Bluetooth connected? Make sure the audio isn't being routed somewhere else. Still silent? Try plugging in external speakers or headphones to test the hardware. In most cases, it's a software hiccup, not a broken sound card. Is your Wi-Fi disconnecting randomly, even though your router's fine? This one's frustrating, but often it's just a power-saving setting or driver issue. First, press Windows plus X and choose Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, then click Properties. Under the Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. That setting tries to save battery, but often kills your connection instead. Next, under the Driver tab, click Update Driver. Windows may find a better version. Still dropping? Head to Settings. Network and Internet, Wi-Fi. Manage known networks, select your Wi-Fi, and click Forget. Then reconnect from scratch. Bonus tip: if you're on a laptop, go to Power Options, change Plan Settings, Advanced Settings, and make sure wireless settings are set to Maximum Performance. That alone solves random drops for many users. File Explorer crashing unexpectedly. Don't worry, it's a common issue with simple fixes. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES, go to Processes, find Windows Explorer, right-click, and select Restart. If that doesn't work, clear the File Explorer history. Search File Explorer Options, go to the General tab, and click Clear. Switch Open File Explorer from Quick Access to This PC to reduce load. Still crashing? Disable thumbnail previews. View. Options. View tab, check Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. As a last resort, run System File Checker. Open Command Prompt as admin, type sfc scan now to fix corrupted files. File Explorer crashes are common, but now you're equipped to handle them. Can't adjust your screen brightness no matter what you try? It's likely a display driver issue. First, right-click the Start menu, head to Device Manager, and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. If that doesn't work, try Uninstall Device and reboot. Windows will automatically reinstall the correct driver. Still no luck? Enable the Microsoft Basic Display Adapter temporarily to check if it's a driver-specific issue. Also, ensure you're not in power saver mode, which can limit brightness. Go to Control Panel, Power Options, and choose a balanced or high-performance plan. Some laptops have function lock enabled. Press FN with brightness keys, usually F5 or F6. For external monitors, adjust brightness using its built-in buttons or menu, not Windows. Problem solved. Are your desktop icons playing musical chairs every time you reboot or change resolution? It's annoying, but here's the fix. First, right-click on your desktop, go to View, and uncheck Auto-Arrange Icons and Align Icons to Grid. This stops Windows from repositioning them automatically. Still shifting around? Right-click again, go to Display Settings, and make sure your resolution is set to the recommended value. Changing resolution can mess up icon layout. If you use multiple monitors, make sure their scale and layout are set consistently under Display Settings. You can also lock icon positions with free tools like Desktop OK. It remembers and restores your layout. Last tip: avoid changing icon sizes too frequently, as that can cause them to reposition. Once you've got them set the way you want, take a screenshot just in case. Now your desktop stays neat, just how you left it. Clicking on apps and nothing happens? Or worse, your .exe files try to open with something weird like Notepad? This usually means your system's file associations got corrupted. Here's how to fix it. First, press Windows plus R, type regedit, and hit Enter. This opens the registry editor, so be careful. Navigate to HKE classes a root/exe and make sure the value for default is set to exefile. If not, double-click it and correct it. Now go to HKE classes root exefile shell sound open command and check that the default value reads %1, %e, including the quotes. If this sounds scary, don't worry. There are safe registry fix files online from Microsoft forums. Just back up your registry before editing. You can also try creating a new user account to see if the issue is profile specific. Fix this, and your apps will open like normal again. Locked out of your own PC because you forgot the password? Don't panic. You might not need to reinstall Windows. If you use a Microsoft account, go to account.live.com, password, reset, on another device, and follow the steps to reset your password. Now just log back in on your PC. Using a local account instead, things get trickier. You'll need a password reset disk, if you created one. If not, you can boot from a Windows installation USB, go into repair mode, and open command prompt. From there, advanced users can swap out accessibility tools for command access and create a new admin user. Tools like Offline NT Password and Registry Editor can reset the local password, but use with care and only on your own machine. Moral of the story: always create a password recovery option. It's easy, until it's not. Webcam not detected? Let's troubleshoot this together. First, ensure your webcam isn't covered and is properly connected. Open Device Manager and check under Imaging Devices for your webcam. See a yellow triangle. Update or uninstall the driver, then reboot. Still not showing? Check camera access in Settings, Privacy Camera. Some laptops have a physical switch or function key for the webcam. Test it on another app like Windows Camera to rule out app issues. If it works there, it's likely a permissions or driver problem. Most of the time, it's an easy fix, not a faulty webcam. Stay calm, and let's get you back on that Zoom call. Few things are scarier than the dreaded blue screen of death, aka BSOD. It seems random, but it always has a reason. First, write down or take a photo of the error code. It usually looks like memory management or IRQL not less or equal. Then search for that exact phrase online to narrow it down. Many times, it's a bad driver. Run Windows Memory. Diagnostic by typing it into the Start menu and restart your PC when prompted. It'll check for faulty RAM. Next, go to Device Manager and check for yellow triangles. Update or uninstall problem drivers. Also, make sure Windows is fully updated. If you recently installed new hardware or software, try removing or rolling it back. For deep errors, look at the dump file using a tool like Blue Screen View. It's detective work, but with these steps, you'll stop those blues from coming back. Plugged format it unless you want to lose everything. Use data recovery tools like Recuva or EaseUS if needed. Also, open Device Manager, expand disk drives, and try updating or reinstalling the driver. Sometimes Windows just doesn't mount the drive properly. 9 times out of 10, your drive is there. Windows just needs a nudge to show it. Is your browser feeling like it's stuck in the early 2000s? Here's how to speed things up in just a few steps. First, clear your cache and cookies. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy, and Security. Clear browsing data. Next, disable unnecessary extensions, especially ad blockers and VPNs. Type Chrome/flags and turn off any experimental features you don't recognize. If you have many tabs open, use an extension like the Great Suspender to pause unused tabs. Keep your browser and graphics driver updated. Finally, test performance in an incognito window. If it's faster, something in your extensions or cache is slowing you down. A clean browser means a smoother experience. That wraps up 15 everyday Windows problems. And now you've got the real-world fixes to keep your system running smooth. But here's the thing. If you're using Windows Pro, you've got even more tools under the hood. Group Policy Editor, BitLocker, Remote Desktop, and advanced performance settings that can level up your productivity and security. We'll cover all that and more in our next video, where we'll unlock powerful Windows Pro features you probably didn't know existed. So if you want to go from basic to power user, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Found this helpful? Like and share with someone who's always battling PC problems. Got a tricky issue we didn't cover? Drop it in the comments, we might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right tools and knowledge, you're always in control. See you in the next one.